Everyone, the question is a steady current of 2 ampere flows through a circular coil having 5 turns and of radius 7 centimeter. The coil lies in the xy plane with its center at the origin. Find the magnitude and the directions of the magnetic field and the magnetic dipole moment. So what we have to do? We have to at first try to draw the coil. How it looks like? The coil 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, this is the coil and this is placed in the xy plane with its center at the origin. Let us say the center is somewhere here. Okay, center is somewhere here. So that is the O origin and that is in the xy plane. That is along the xy plane. It is not said that it is aligned along the x-axis. It is also not said that it is aligned along the y-axis. Okay. Maybe the coil is somehow like this, okay. Then this may be the xy plane, it may be aligned. Only one thing is said there, here the center of the coil is fixed at the origin. This thing is discussed. So if I want to find out what is the magnetic field of this circular coil, that is mu naught into capital N, small n into I. Mu naught is 4 pi into 10 to the power minus 7. The total number of turns is 5 and the I is 2. So if you calculate this, it will be 4 pi into 10 to the power minus 6 Tesla. Okay. Since all of these things are measured in SI unit, so the magnetic field that we have calculated, that is also comes in SI unit. Okay. Now we have to find out what is the directions of the magnetic field. So to find out the directions of the magnetic field, we have to consider the direction of the current. If I consider current is flowing like this way, then the magnetic field is along this axis, along the negative x-axis. If I consider the magnetic field is, if I consider current is in the like this way, then it will be magnetic field will be along the positive x-axis. Okay. So depending on the direction of the current flow, the magnetic field of this circular coil can be changed. Okay. So that we have to write. Depending on the direction of the current flow, the direction of the magnetic field due to this circular coil will be changed. Obviously we will apply here the right hand graphs rule to find out the directions of the magnetic field, and obviously it is perpendicular to that of the plane of the coil. That is another one important point. Now the magnetic dipole moment. The magnetic dipole moment's formula is M equal to N, let us write down small n here, N the number of turns, the current and area. Okay. So here if I put the value of N, that is 5, the value of the current is 2, the area is pi into 7 divided by 100 because radius is given in centimeter, so square, so it will be 5 into 2 into 22 divided by 7, 7 divided by 100 into 7 divided by 100. So here this 7 and this 7 cancels out. 5 into 2 is 10, so I can just cut 1 0 here. So 22 into 7 is 154, 154 divided by 1000 will be 0.154. The unit of it will be ampere into meter square. So this is the magnetic dipole moment. The directions of the magnetic dipole moment obviously depending on the current. Just like if the direction is like this, then the direction dipole moment will be in the downward direction, okay, and if the direction is reversed, then the direction of dipole moment will be in the upward direction, okay, will be in the upward direction. So, depending on the direction of the current flow here, the magnetic dipole moment's directions will be changed, okay, but it is perpendicular to the plane of the coil. That is, this is I am saying it is perpendicular either in this direction or in this direction, depending on the direction of the current. Since the directions of the current flow is not specified here, so we cannot say in which directions the magnetic dipole moment is directed. Thank you all of you.